What's up guys, this is Shanhezer and today we are going to have a quick review of Sennheiser CX400BT True Wireless Earbuds. We will talk about its design, features, audio quality, battery life and all of its pros and cons. So here we go. Inside the retail box you will find the Sennheiser CX400BT along with the user manual, a USB Type-C cable, couples of ear tips and some safety information booklets and all. Talking about the design, the very first thing you will notice that these earbuds are pretty big in size. So depending on your ear shape and size, they might look a bit bulky, but surprisingly one single earbud weighs just 6 grams. So even though it looks big and bulky, it's quite lightweight and you can easily use it for hours without feeling any discomfort. The touch sensor area is quite big and you won't miss any command while using it. There is an LED indicator provided on each of the earbuds that provides various information regarding the battery status, connectivity, etc. But one big drawback here is that CX400BT does not come with any kind of IP certification, so officially it is not even splash resistant and you will have to protect it from water or excessive amount of sweat while you use them during your workouts. The charging case for the Sennheiser CX400BT is very small in size and it weighs just 37 grams, so it's very lightweight, portable and easy to bring anywhere. We got the USB Type-C connector to charge the case and the earbuds. We got an LED indicator that shows the charging status of the case and the earbuds inside. There is also a dedicated physical button provided to check the battery status, and overall the charging case looks cute and premium with that beautiful Sennheiser logo on the top. But the paint job is not that great. I just tried to check how nice it is by using my nails and it caught some scratches very easily. So you will have to be careful if you keep this charging case in the same pocket with your keys and all. The connectivity process is straightforward and very simple, just like connecting to any other Bluetooth device. It comes with Bluetooth 5.1 and it can be connected to 8 different Bluetooth devices, but obviously one device at a time. But one big drawback here is that CX400BT still works on an outdated master-slave connectivity technology, so you cannot use both earphones separately. The right earbud works as the master earbud and it transfers the audio to the left one, so you can only use the right earbud as a standalone unit for answering the phone calls and access the voice assistant. Talking about the audio quality, this is where the performance of Sennheiser CX400BT is very impressive. It comes with the same premium 7mm dynamic driver and built-in equalizer that you will find on the more premium Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 2 earbuds. It supports the aptX codec, so the audio quality is very rich for every kind of music. The bass produced is deep but still a bit flat, so if you are a bass head, CX400BT will not excite you in the beginning, but the good part is that you can adjust the amount of lows, mids and highs for the built-in equalizer and you can easily adjust the amount of bass for the kind of music you listen. The overall audio quality is very rich and it does not matter what kind of music you listen, you will enjoy it for sure on CX400BT. One very important feature missing here on CX400BT is the lack of active noise cancellation. Considering the price, nearly every other earbud in this price range comes with active noise cancellation that is totally missing on CX400BT. It provides a very nice passive noise cancellation, but if you are looking for an earbuds particularly with ANC feature, then you won't find CX400BT appealing, even though the audio quality is amazing. One big drawback of Sennheiser CX400BT is that it does not come with auto pause play that is available on nearly every single earphone available in the market now. Now talking about the battery life, in my testing on 50% volume, I was able to get a little less than 6 hours of continuous music play, and that's quite impressive. Using the charging case, you can charge the CX400BT twice So overall you will get around 17 hours of battery life with fully charged earbuds and case of CX400BT. The Sennheiser Smart Control app is available for both Android and iOS, and you will need it to make any customization for the touch commands or play with the built-in equalizer to use on CX400BT. The user interface for the equalizer is easy to use and gives you great freedom to customize the listening experience to great extent. So you can precisely customize the lows, mids and highs according to your preference for your CX400BT using the Sennheiser Smart Control app. And when it comes to touch commands, CX400BT is better compared to other earbuds available in the market because it provides lots of options which we usually don't find on other earbuds. So we got single tap, double tap, triple tap and tap and hold. So you can theoretically perform 8 different kind of gesture to control the music and perform other activities on Sennheiser CX400BT. The latency on CX400BT is low enough for playing games or watching videos, but personally if I am playing any game, especially the FPS ones in which the low latency is highly required, I would like to switch to AAC codec instead of aptX for better latency. And talking about the voice quality, we got a set of microphones on CX400BT. Officially they do not provide any kind of noise cancellation, but the audio quality is good enough for making voice calls and all. Overall, Sennheiser CX400BT True Wireless is a very nice earbuds when it comes to audio quality and battery. If you are not particularly interested in active noise cancellation on your earbuds or water resistance and want to enjoy great quality music, then CX400BT is a great option for you. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.